One of the ways that you can take images of your work and upload them to Schoology is to use this app. It's called Office Lens. You can download it for free on the App Store, and it syncs with your Microsoft account. So all you have to do is log in with your username that is your email. So we first can take a picture of whatever document. I'm going to adjust the edges so that we can see the entire image. And then we click the next button. After this, I can actually add more pictures. So I'll take a picture of the back just to show you. And after we take a picture of the back side, now we have 2 pages. So I'm going to let this load, and then once it loads, I can click the orange arrow at the bottom, and this lets me review what documents I have here. Next, I'm going to change the title of this, so name it something so that you can easily find it later. I'm just going to call this one Chapter 0-6 Notes. Notice how I'm already signed into my Microsoft account above. Next, I'm just going to click OneDrive, and this will upload it to the cloud for you so you can access it on the computer.